Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Small Talk to ESL, English as a Second Language. And our topic today is about speaking English without thinking grammar. Bicara bahasa Inggris tanpa berpikir grammar atau tata bahasa. Phrasal verbs in small talk. Kata kerja phrasal untuk obrolan ringan. Okay, the pictures on the screen are some of the people who support the YouTube channel Small Talk to ESL, spoken English learning video in small talk. And if there are viewers who wanna to support this channel and wanted to post their photos to the next video, you can contact the number listed below of this video. Jadi gambar-gambar yang ada pada layar ini adalah orang-orang yang mendukung channel YouTube Small Talk to ESL, belajar video belajar bahasa Inggris lisan dalam obrolan ringan. Dan jika ada para pemirsa yang ingin mensupport channel ini dan ingin memposting foto-fotonya untuk video berikutnya, Anda dapat menghubungi nomor yang tertera di bawah video ini. And I hope the videos in the Small Talk to ESL YouTube channel can be useful for viewers or for you to support your or their studies or career in pursuing their dreams. And may God bless us all. Jadi saya berharap video-video di channel Small Talk to ESL ini dapat berguna bagi para pemirsa ataupun Anda yang ingin mendukung pendidikan atau karir Anda dalam mengejar impian Anda. Semoga Tuhan memberkati. And then before we continue studying our topic today, I want to introduce the people who support this video channel first, one by one, and who are they? Let's see it. And the first persons who support this video channel came from Mr. Ivan Anggi Simanjuntak. Hello, Mr. Ivan Anggi Simanjuntak. Nice to see you. And Mr. Ivan Anggi Simanjuntak's professions as a student at University of Negeri Medan. And his origin from Medan, North Sumatra, Indonesia. And Mr. Ivan, I hope you succeed in your study, and may God bless you and fulfill your dream. Saya berharap Anda sukses dalam studi Anda dan Tuhan memberkati dan memenuhi atau mengabulkan cita-cita Anda. Okay, the next persons who support these channels came from Mr. Mahdi. Hello, Mr. Mahdi. Glad to see you. And his profession as a restaurant employee in the Pulau Pinang. Jadi sebagai karyawan Mr. Mahdi ini sebagai salah satu karyawan di sebuah restoran di Pulau Pinang. And his origins from Mu'un village. Jadi asalnya dari desa Mu'un, Ngabang Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Okay, thank you, Mr. Mahadi. I hope you succeed in your career and God bless and fulfill your dreams. Saya berharap Anda sukses dalam karir Anda dan Tuhan memberkati Anda, Mr. Mahadi. Okay, the next picture who support this channel, or I mean the next persons who support this channel, came from Mr. Agustinus Dores. Hello, Mr. Agustinus Dores. Nice to see you. Mr. Agustinus Dores professions as a student of Lembaga Pendidikan Vokasi IMDKOM Bengkayang, it also West Kalimantan, and his origin from Landak, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. And Mr. Agustinus Dores, I hope you succeed in your studies and may God bless you and fulfill your dream. Dan semoga Tuhan juga memberkati dan mengabulkan cita-cita Anda. Okay, the next person who supports this channel came from Mr. Jitro Kemon. Okay, hello Mr. Jitro Kemon. His profession as a official village. Jadi sebagai aparatur desa. And his origins from Landak Regency, Kabupaten Landak, West Kalimantan, Kalimantan Barat, Indonesia. And glad to see you, Mr. Jitro Kemon. And I hope you succeed in your career. May God bless you and fulfill your dream. Ya juga semoga Tuhan memberkati dan mengabulkan cita-cita Anda. Okay. Thank you for you all. And then, who is the persons who support Small Talk to ESL channel? Came from Mr. Sudarmadi. Okay, hello Mr. Sudarmadi. Mr. Sudarmadi professions as a student of Panchabakti University. Jadi profesi profesi Tuan Sudarmadi atau Sudarmadi adalah mahasiswa dari Universitas Panchabakti, and his origins from Dusun Jangkak, Desa Perek, Kecamatan Air Besar, Kabupaten Landak, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Okay, nice to see you, Mr. Sudarmadi, and I hope you succeed in your study and also in your career, and may God bless you and fulfill your dream. Okay, thank you. And the next, our supporters for this channel came from Miss Adita. Her profession as an employee at a company in Landak. Jadi profesinya adalah sebagai salah satu karyawati di sebuah perusahaan di Kabupaten Landak, and her origins from Meranti, Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Hello, Miss Aidita. I hope you succeed in your career and may God bless you and fulfill your dreams. And next, who supports the next supporter to this channel, Small Talk to ESL, came from Mr. Hiskia DR. Okay, hello Mr. Hiskia. His professions as a student of one of university. Jadi profesi Mr. Hiskia adalah mahasiswa dari salah satu universitas, and his origin from Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. And who is the next supporters? Came from Mr. Della. Okay, hello Mr. Della, nice to meet you and glad to see you too. His profession as a student of STKIP Pamane Talino, Kabupaten Landak, West Kalimantan, Kalimantan Barat, Indonesia. Jadi profesinya adalah mahasiswa di salah satu perguruan tinggi STKIP Pamane Talino di Landak. And Mr. Dela's origins from Kuala Bihi, Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Okay, let's see the next supporter to Small Talk ESL channel came from Mr. Rido Maididi. Okay, hello Mr. Rido Maididi, glad to see you, and I want to introduce to you his professions as a student of STT BMW Tangerang. Jadi profesi Mr. Rido Maididi ini adalah mahasiswa dari salah satu perguruan tinggi di STT BMW Tangerang. Okay, and his origin from Landak Regency, dari Kabupaten Landak, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Okay, I hope you doing well and may God bless you, Mr. Rido, and fulfill your dreams. Okay, thank you. And next supporter to Small Talk ESL channel came from Mr. Flavianus Muda Hendrawan. Hello, Mr. Flavianus Muda Hendrawan, glad to see you. And his professions as a student of Atmajaya University, Yogyakarta. Jadi, Mr. Flavianus Muda Hendrawan ini adalah seorang mahasiswa di salah satu universitas yang namanya Atmajaya di Yogyakarta. And his origins from Ngabang Districts, jadi dari Kecamatan Ngabang, Landak Regency, Kabupaten Landak, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. And the next supporter came from Mr. Maretno. Okay, hello Mr. Maretno, rejoice to see you, glad to see you too. And his profession as a student of Tanjung Pura University at Pontianak. Jadi profesi Mr. Maretno ini adalah mahasiswa di Universitas Tanjung Pura Pontianak. And his origins, Mr. Maretno came from Ngabang, Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Okay, thank you, Mr. Maretno, for your support, and I hope you succeed in your study, and may God bless you and fulfill your dreams. Okay, thank you. And next, our supporter came from Mr. Samson. Yes, hello, Mr. Samson, glad to see you. His professions as self-employed. Jadi, Mr. Samson ini adalah wira swasta. And his origins from Landak Regency, Kabupaten Landak, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Okay, next, we're gonna see the next supporter to this channel, Small Talk to ESL, came from Mr. Vitalis. Okay, hello Mr. Vitalis, How are you? I hope you great. Pretty good. And nice to see you, Mr. Vitalis. And Mr. Vitalis' professions or his professions as a student of UKSW Pontianak. Jadi profesi dari Mr. Vitalis ini adalah mahasiswa di salah satu Universitas Pontianak yang bernama UKSW. Okay, and his origins asalnya dari Ngabang, from Ngabang, Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. And thank you for your support, Mr. Vitalis. And I hope you succeed. And God bless you in your study and fulfill your dream. Okay, thank you. And next, our supporter to Small Talk to Israel came from Miss Silviana Octavia. Okay, hello Miss Silviana Octavia. Nice to see you. And her professions as a student of SMK Maniamas Ngabang. Jadi profesinya adalah siswa atau siswi di SMK Maniamas Ngabang. Okay, her origins from Ngabang, Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Okay, thank you Miss Silviana Octavia for your support to Small Talk ESL channel, and I hope you succeed in your study and God bless you and fulfill your dreams. Okay, and the next persons who support these channels came from Miss Kurnia Setiani. Hello Miss Kurnia Setiani, nice to see you. Her professions as a student of Seman 1 Ngabang. Jadi profesi Miss Kurnia Setiani ini adalah siswi di SMA Negeri 1 Ngabang. And her origin asalnya from Ngabang, Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. And thank you Miss Kurnia Setiani from your support, and I hope you succeed in your study and God bless you and fulfill your dreams. Okay, and next came from Mr. Elia Lubertus. Hello Mr. Elia Lubertus, how are you today? I hope you pretty good, great, and nice to see you. Okay, Mr. Elia Lubertus' professions as a student of SMA 2 Belitang Hulu, Kabupaten Sekadau. Jadi profesi dari Mr. Elia Lubertus ini adalah siswa di SMA Negeri 2 Belitang Hulu, Kabupaten Sekadau. And his origins from Engkudu, Landak Regency, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Okay, thank you for all of you who support these channels, and I hope this video can be useful to all of you. Okay, let's go to the next slide. How to speak English without grammar. Jadi kita ingin mengetahui sebenarnya bagaimana berbicara bahasa Inggris tanpa kata bahasa Inggris ataupun tanpa grammar. Okay? First point, write and imitate the phrasal verbs in the sentence. Jadi, tulis dan tiru kata kerja frasal dalam kalimat. Okay? Next, how to speak English without grammar. And the second answer, the second point, say it over and over again until you memorize it by heart and can say it automatically. Okay, I repeat it again. Say it over and over again until you memorize it by heart and can say it automatically. Jadi ucapkan berulang-ulang sampai Anda menghafalnya dan dapat mengucapkannya secara otomatis. Misal seperti life must go on. Hidup harus berlanjut. So, the present verb of go on, kita bisa cari contoh kalimat lain, like go on, what happen next? Okay. Oh silakan lanjut gitu. Kemudian apa yang terjadi? Okay, you can spread the sentence or you can make a different sentence using the present verb to practice your conversations or to practice your improve using the present verb in small talk. Okay, and next, use the same present verb with another sentence. Jadi di sini dikatakan gunakan present verb yang sama seperti yang saya katakan tadi dengan with another sentence, dengan kalimat yang lain. Gunakan present verb yang sama dengan kalimat yang lain seperti yang saya sebutkan tadi, misalnya go on. Okay, and next, listening to English song, programs, TV, and education in YouTube. Jadi mendengarkan lagu, program, TV, dan pendidikan bahasa Inggris di YouTube. Jadi you make it a habitual in your life listening English. Whatever it from a song or TV or what program about English, and listen to the English pronunciations more and more. Jadi biasakan mendengarkan perkataan pengucapan bahasa Inggris berulang-ulang. Okay? Next, don't forget to watch my video YouTube channel, Small Talk to ESL, and don't forget to support this channel with. Jadi jangan lupa juga Anda menonton YouTube channel Small Talk ESL, dan jangan lupa kalau ini bermanfaat untuk mensupport channel ini dengan like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell to make you update the latest video from Small Talk to ESL channel. Okay, let's start to the topic about present verbs in Small Talk A. Okay, 1, go on. Go on. Go on. Yang artinya terjadi, berlanjut, terus, tetap, melakukan, melanjutkan. Number 2, carry out. Carry out. Carry out. Melaksanakan, mengikuti atau mematuhi, menjalankan. 3, set up. Set up. Set up, menetapkan, menyiapkan, mendirikan, mengadakan, mengatur. Number 4, pick up. Pick up. Pick up, mengambil, menjemput, mengumpulkan, merapikan. 5, go back. Go back. Go back, yang artinya berasal, kembali. 6, come back. Come back. Come back, kembali. 7. Go out. Go out. Go out. Keluar, kencan, tertuju, dikeluarkan, padam. Number 8. Point out. Point out. Point out. Menunjukkan. 9. Find out. Find out. Find out. Menemukan. Tahu. Mengungkap. 10. Come up. Come up. Come up. Muncul atau timbul, terbit, naik, mendekat, dan pendekatan. Okay. Next, sample of phrasal verbs A. Jadi contoh-contoh kata kerja frasal di session A. Pertama, go on. Go on, go on. Terjadi, berlanjut, terus, atau tetap melakukan, melanjutkan. A. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know what was going on. Saya tidak tahu apa yang sedang terjadi. B. Life must go on. Life must go on. Hidup harus terus berlanjut. C. Don't go on talking. Don't go on talking. Jangan terus berbicara. D. She went on to become a senator. She went on to become a senator. Jadi dia kemudian menjadi senator. Okay. E. My. You do go on. My. You do go on. That is informal. Ya ampun. Yang artinya, ya ampun, engkau banyak ngomong. Ya ampun, engkau banyak ngomong. Tapi ini biasa digunakan dalam informal. Oke. 2. Carry out. Yang artinya melaksanakan, mengikuti atau mematuhi, kemudian menjalankan. A. Carry out a new policy. Carry out a new policy. Memberlakukan kebijakan baru. B. Carry out instructions. Carry out instruction. Melaksanakan instruksi. C. Carry out the mission successfully. Carry out the mission successfully. Menjalankan misi dengan sukses. Oke. 3. Set up. Yang artinya menetapkan, menyiapkan, mendirikan, mengadakan, mengatur. A. They set the general up as a dictator. They set the general up as a dictator. Jadi mereka menetapkan sang jenderal sebagai diktator. Oke. B. He has set himself up as an authority on the English language. He has set himself up as an authority on the English language. Jadi dia telah menetapkan dirinya, dia telah menempatkan dirinya sebagai otoritas pada bahasa Inggris. Oke. C. Set up a new machine. Set up a new machines. Menyiapkan mesin baru. D. Set up a charity. Set up a charity. Jadi mendirikan amal. E. They set up halls of protest over new taxes. They set up halls of protest over new taxes. Mereka membuat teriakan protes atas pajak baru. 4. Pick up. Pick up. Mengambil, menjemput, mengumpulkan, merapikan. A. Could you pick up that book? Could you pick up that book? Bisakah kamu mengambil buku itu? B. The bus picks up commuters at 5 stops. The bus picks up commuters at 5 stops. Jadi bus menjemput penumpang di 5 halte, di 5 pemberhentian. Okay, C. Pick up some pebbles. Pick up some pebbles. Jadi mengumpulkan beberapa kerikil. D. Pick up the bedroom. Pick up the bedroom. Yang artinya merapikan tempat tidur. Okay, next slide. 5. Go back. Berasal kembali. A. This story goes back 200 years. This story goes back 200 years. Jadi cerita ini berasal dari 200 tahun yang lalu. Okay, B. The restaurant was terrible. I'm never going back there. I'm never going back there again. The restaurant was terrible. I was never going back there again. Sorry. That restaurant was terrible. I'm never going back there again. That restaurant was terrible. I'm never going back there again. Jadi restoran itu mengerikan. Saya tidak akan pernah kembali ke sana lagi. C. Go back to me, please. Go back to me, please. Tolong, kembalilah kepadaku. Okay. 6. Come back, kembali. A. Come back with a sharp riposte. Come back with a sharp riposte. Kembalilah dengan balasan yang tajam. B. It's all coming back to me now. It's all coming back to me now. Semuanya kembali kepada saya. C. Wait us. Wait us. We will come back. Wait us. We will come back. Tunggu kami. Kami akan datang kembali. Okay. Next. 7. Go out. Keluar, kencan, tertuju, dikeluarkan, padam. A. He went out at 7 o'clock. Goes out a lot. He went out at 7 o'clock. Goes out a lot. Jadi dia keluar jam 7. Goes out a lot. Banyak keluar rumah. Okay, B. They've been going out for 2 years. They've been going out for 2 years. Mereka sudah berkencan atau pacaran selama 2 tahun. C. My heart goes out to the storm victims. My heart goes out to the storm victims. Jadi hati saya tertuju pada korban badai. D. Hike boots went out last year. Hike boots went out last year. Jadi sepatu bot tinggi keluar tahun lalu. E. The bridge went out. The bridge went out. Yang artinya jembatan padam. Okay, 8. Point out. Point out, menunjukkan. A. She was quick to point out that it wasn't her fault. She wasn't quick to point out that it wasn't her fault. Jadi dia dengan cepat menunjukkan bahwa itu bukan salahnya. Okay, B. The mechanic pointed out the repair on the front of my car. The mechanic pointed out the repair on the front of my car. Jadi mekanik menunjukkan perbaikan di bagian depan mobil saya. C. Angela pointed out some spelling errors in my paper. Angela pointed out some spelling errors in my paper. Jadi Angela menunjukkan beberapa kesalahan ejaan di makalah saya. Okay, next. Find out, menemukan, tahu, mengungkap. A. He found out what he wanted. He found out what he wanted. Jadi dia menemukan apa yang dia inginkan. B. I just found out that he was cheating on the test. I just found out that he was cheating on the test. Jadi saya baru tahu bahwa dia menyontek saat ujian. Okay, C. He wondered whether his boss was involved, but he saw no way of finding that out. He wondered whether his boss was involved, but he saw no way of finding that out. Jadi dia bertanya apakah bosnya terlibat, tapi dia tidak melihat cara untuk mengungkapnya. Oke, Tin. Come up. Come up. Muncul, timbul, terbit, naik, mendekat, pendekatan. A. The questions never came up. The questions never came up. Pertanyaan itu tidak pernah muncul. B. The sun came up. Matahari terbit. The sun came up. Matahari terbit. C. A general who came up from the ranks. A general who came up from the ranks. Jadi seorang jenderal yang naik dari pangkat. Oke, D. Came up and said hello. Came up and said hello. Sini atau datang dan sapa dan menyapa. Oke, next. Phrasal verb in small talk B. Jadi kata kerja phrasal dalam obrolan ringan session B atau bagian B. Oke, 1. Make up. Membuat, membentuk, merias, mengganti. 2. Take over. Take over. Yang artinya mengambil alih, menjadi dominan. 3. Come out. Come out. Come out. Keluar. Menjadi. Terbit. Jadi. 4. Come in. Datang. Masuk. Menjadi. Timbul. Come in. 5. Go down. Go down. Turun. Terbenam. Jatuh. Berkurang. Tenggelam. 6. Work out. Work out. Berhasil. Menyusun. Berlatih. Keluar. 7. Set out. Set out. Yang artinya melakukan dengan seksama, menata, menanam, berangkat. 8. Take up. Take up. Yang artinya berhasil melakukan, mengerjakan, menyelesaikan. 9. Get back. Get back. Yang artinya kembali. 10. Sit down. Sit down. Duduk. Atau silakan duduk. Okay? We're gonna jump to the sample of the phrasal verbs B. Yeah, sample of phrasal verbs B. 1. Make up. Membuat, membentuk, merias, mengganti. A. Make up a prescription. Make up a prescription. Membuat resep. B. 10 years make up a decade. 10 years make up a decade. 10 tahun membentuk satu dekade. C. Made up an excuse. Made up an excuse. Membuat alasan. D. She made up her face. She made up her face. Dia merias wajahnya. E. Make up for lost time. Make up for lost time. Mengganti waktu yang hilang. 2. Take over. Take over. Mengambil alih, menjadi dominan. A. I'm taking over while the supervisor is on vacation. I'm taking over while the supervisor is on vacation. Jadi saya mengambil alih saat supervisor sedang berlibur. B. She took over the job after he left. She took over the job after he left. She took over the job after he left. Dia mengambil alih pekerjaan setelah dia pergi. C. Our defense took over in the second half of the game. Our defense took over in the second half of the game. Pertahanan kami lebih dominan pada babak kedua pertandingan. Okay, 3 came out. Terungkap, keluar, debut, hasil. Okay, A. The whole story came out at the trial. The whole story came out at the trial. Jadi seluruh ceritanya itu terungkap di pengadilan. B. The author's new book just came out. The author's new book just came out. Buku baru penulis baru saja keluar. She came out at age 18 in New York City. She came out at age 18 in New York City. Debut pertamanya pada usia 18 tahun di kota New York. D. Everything came out wrong. Everything came out wrong. Semuanya salah. 4. Come in. Come in. Tiba datang urutan berguna. Terdengar masuk. A. Fall clothes will be coming in soon. Fall clothes will be coming in soon. Pakaian musim gugur akan segera datang. B. Come in fit. Come in fit. Berada di urutan kelima. C. A food processor comes in handy. A food processor comes in handy. Pengolahan makanan sangat berguna. D. The pilot's voice came in loud and clear. The pilot's voice came in loud and clear. Suara pilot terdengar keras dan jelas. E. When editorial reviews commence, that's where you come in. When editorial reviews commence, that's where you come in. Ketika ulasan editorial dimulai, disitulah Anda masuk. 5. Go down. Go down. Terbenam, jatuh, tenggelam, mudah menelan. Okay, A. The sun went down. The sun went down. Matahari terbenam. B. The helicopter went down in a ball of fire. The helicopter went down in a ball of fire. Helikopter jatuh dalam bola api. C. The torpedoed battleship went down. The torpedoed battleship went down. Kapal perang yang ditorpedo tenggelam. D. A cough syrup that goes down readily. A cough syrup that goes down readily. A cough syrup that goes down readily. Jadi sirup obat batuk dengan mudah ditelan. 6. Work out. Berhasil melakukan, mengerjakan, menyelesaikan. Work out. A. Work out a compromise. Work out a compromise. Berhasil melakukan kompromi. B. Work out the equations. Work out the equations. Mengerjakan persamaan. Mengerjakan persamaan. C. Work out their personal differences. Work out their personal differences. Menyelesaikan perbedaan pribadi mereka. D. Work out a plan. Work out a plan. Mengerjakan sebuah rencana. Okay, 7. Set out. Melakukan dengan seksama. Menata, menanam, berangkat. A. He set out to understand why the plan had failed. He set out to understand why the plan had failed. Dia dengan seksama memahami mengapa rencana itu gagal. B. Set out a terrace. Set out a terrace. Menata teras secara sistematis. C. Set out seedingly. Set out seedlings. set out seedlings. Set out seedlings. Jadi menanam bibit. D. She set out at dawn for town. She set out at dawn for town. Dia berangkat saat fajar ke kota. A. Take up. Take up. Berhasil melakukan, mengerjakan, menyelesaikan. A. Work out a compromise. Berhasil melakukan kompromi. Work out the equation. Mengerjakan persamaan. C. Work out their personal differences. Menyelesaikan perbedaan pribadi mereka. D. Work out a plan. Mengerjakan sebuah rencana. Nine. Get back. Kembali. Get back. Kembali. A. Let's get back to the subject at hand. Mari kembali ke subjek yang ada. B. If you get back in time, you can come with us. If you get back in time, you can come with us. Jika Anda kembali tepat waktu, Anda bisa ikut dengan kami. C. When we got back to the hotel and had already left. When we get back to the hotel and had already left. Ketika kami kembali ke hotel and sudah pergi. D. Give me a call when you get back. Give me a call when you get back. Hubungi saya ketika Anda kembali. 10. Sit down. Duduk. You look tired. Why don't you come and have a sit down for a few minutes? You look tired. Why don't you come and have a sit down for a few minutes? Anda tampak lelah. Mengapa Anda tidak datang dan duduk selama beberapa menit? B. Have a sit down with her and tell her what the problem is. Have a sit down with her and tell her what the problem is. Jadi, duduklah dengannya dan beritahu dia apa masalahnya. Okay, thank you. If it's useful and you like this video YouTube channel, Small Talk to Israel, you can support us. Click subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I hope this video channel can be useful to all of you. And if any comment or questions, you can comment in the list comment below of this video. And you don't forget, don't forget to activate the bell or click the notification bell to make you get the update informations of the latest video to your account favorite. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you all, and bye-bye. See you next video. Thank you.